Back to Grand Archi classes. Let's see what is in plant water relation. See, basically, water is very essential for the plant because plant required water for its manufacturing of the products or also to gain the energy in the photosynthesis. Let's see what is in plant water relationship. First, see what is main content of protoplasm. It is a living part of the cell surrounded by a plasma membrane. What I have said, living part of the cell surrounded by a plasma membrane. It has very essential role in that thing. Okay. Now see, watermelon. It contains about 92% of water. Hibiscus plant have 10 to 15% of its fresh weight as a dry matter. Okay. And mustard plant. What mustard plant? About absorb water equal to its own weight in near about 5 hours. Okay, now see water potential. What is an water potential? By its name it is very clear that movement of water from one region to the another or from one area to the another due to some type of force or some type of pressure which are acting on that. Okay, it is not clear. Now see what is an solute potential. It is basically what movement of inward water to basically a water permeable membrane or through transpiration. In that case it is a known as solute potential because water potential involves two things, solute potential and pressure potential. I have discussed about the solute potential. Now see what is an pressure potential. See, I will explain you this thing very in simple form, not in the scientific way. See, solute potential. What does it mean by its name? Solute have potential in it, and pressure potential. That pressure is exerted on the wall due to hydrostatic pressure. Okay. See, if anything is movement in the wall, just like the take the example this is my hand, and this chalk is going in it. See, if the chalk is going in it, it creates certain type of pressure near the surrounding. Okay, it is clear. See, anything which move from one thing, it will exert some pressure near its surrounding. It is simply known as pressure potential, or we can say it is an hydrostatic pressure. Okay, it is clear. Water potential. What is the formula? As I explained, water potential basically involve solute potential plus pressure potential. It is now clear. Okay, now one thing is very common, that how does the movement occur. There are two type of movement. One is diffusion, we know that. What? Diffusion. By the name it is very clear, diffusion. What does it mean? I will explain you in very simple way. Okay, see this, that diffusion, by the name it is very clear that movement of something from higher concentration to the lower concentration. And remember one thing, it doesn't involve any kind of energy. By seeing the example, see this, higher concentration to lower concentration. We know that we have studies from the starting from the 9th or 8th class that diffusion means movement of higher concentration towards the lower concentration. But anyone has thought that how does it happens without the requirement of the energy in this field? See this. Taking an example of a cup or a basket which is filled with water. Okay, water in it. Now it is full of water. Taking another cup which is very empty. Okay, it is an empty cup. It is filled with water. Okay. Now see, if we put a one tube in it and just join to this, see clearly properly that by the natural phenomena without the requirement of the energy, it is very clear. If we put a tube, make a hole here and here also, that automatically this water start moving toward this lower concentration. Okay, it move until it reaches to the equilibrium, means both the jugs of glass became equal in the phase of the water. Okay, it is very clear. In this way, the diffusion occur from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, and it is a Greek symbol, that psi or this one. Okay, it is clear. There is one term come here, plasmolysis. What is the basically meaning of the plasmolysis? It basically control the shrinkage of the protoplasm. Okay, now see, it is of three types, that isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic. By the name it is very clear, iso, hypo and hyper. Hyper doesn't mean that you got angry in that field. Okay, it means basic on the concentration things. Okay, see, it is basically the external one, balance the both pressure of the cytoplasm, and it's see to be a isotonic. Okay, here basically the dilute from the cytoplasm concentration, and it is very high concentration than the cytoplasm. Okay, it is very external solute balance the osmotic pressure of the cytoplasm, and here external is basically more dilute than the cytoplasm, and this here external one is more concentrated than the cytoplasm. Okay, it is now clear what is hypertonic and what is an hypertonic. To see about the imbibition. See, all of you, that it is a scientific terms, imbibition. Every student get confused in this word, that any solid thing which absorb water changes in the form. It is very difficult to understand. I am giving a very simple example. See, take a dry wood, place in a water. Okay, after some time you see it get swell or increase in the volume or the size because it had absorbed the water. Taking another example, take a seed. Okay, now we knew that if seed is planted in a field, it required water. After taking a water or completing in nutrition diet, it get enlarged in its size. Okay, simply imbibition means that anything which is gained or lost. Example of these seeds, when we plant it, we know that it required water and nutrition. After gaining a water and nutrition, it changes its size and result into the plant growth. So it is very clear that any dry thing which absorb the water, okay, it is a natural process. Simply think that a dry wood has been kept in the water. We know that it is in dry form and water will absorb by it, and it will change in its volume and size and the weight. It is now clear what is it. Let's have some question about this. Osmosis is the diffusion of, within that osmosis pressure, osmotic pressure or solute pressure. It is near about same thing. It is the diffusion of what? It is very simple answer. You know that it is an water. Okay, it is clear. Now see, cell became turgid because of turgid. It happens in the pressure potential. Okay, see, turgid. It is due to endoosmosis. Okay, it is clear.